Rejection Hotline number did not want you to have their real number. We know this sucks, but don't be too devastated. So why were you given a Rejection Hotline number? Maybe you're just not this person's type. This could mean boring, dumb, annoying, arrogant, or just a general weirdo. Maybe you suffer from bad breath, body odor, or a nasty combination of the two.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 2 payphones in the city of Whittier actually works. We all hope you enjoyed this episode of Payphone Hunt. All of us here at the network want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you want to check out these payphones for yourself, the address will be in the description below. Thank you for joining us on this episode. Till next time, thank you all for watching.
Hello, this is not the person you were trying to call. You've reached the Rejection Hotline. Unfortunately, the person who gave you this Rejection Hotline number did not want you to have their real number. We know this sucks, but don't be too devastated. So why were you given a Rejection Hotline number? Maybe you're just not this person's type. Note, this could mean boring, dumb, annoying, arrogant, or just a general weirdo. Maybe you suffer from bad breath, body odor, or a nasty combination of the two. Maybe you just give off that creepy, overbearing, psycho stalker vibe, and the idea of going out with you just seems as appealing as playing leapfrog with unicorns. Regardless of the reason, please take the hint, accept the fact that you were rejected, and then get over it. And please do your best to forget about the person who gave you this number, because trust us, they've already forgotten about you.
HumorHotline.com.